Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a super cute crab. So grab your paper and your favorite colors and let's make some ocean magic together. First we'll start by drawing the big oval body for crab. Now here we'll leave two little gaps at the top because that's where we'll add the eyes. Now we'll draw two long eye stalks popping up from the body. Add two big round eyes on top to make your crab look cute and curious. Next, we'll draw the two pincers, also called claws. Make them nice and big because crabs love to wave their claws hello. And now it's time for the walking legs. Draw 6 legs in total, 3 on the left and 3 on the right. Give each one a gentle curve so your crab looks ready to scuttle across the sand. Let's make a crab little extra friendly. Draw a happy smile and add 2 tiny rosy cheeks. Yay! Our crab is ready for some color. Color the body bright red. Make the eyes shiny. And watch your adorable crab come to life. Take your time and have fun. Amazing job! Your cute crab looks fantastic. If you had fun drawing with me, don't forget to like, subscribe and come back for more easy drawings. Keep smiling, keep creating and I'll see you in the next adventure. Bye bye.